Oh, the first of me downfall, I set out the door. I straight made me way on for Carrick-on shore. Going out be Rathronan to us late in the night. Going out the west gate for to view the gaslight. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. I went to the Tolsel to see the big lamp, and who should I meet but a bloody big tramp? I kindly stepped over, and to him I said, will you kindly direct me to where I'll get a bed? Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. 'Twas then he directed me down to Cook's Lane, to where old Buck's engine kept an old sleeping cage. Hung out o'er the door was a small piece of board, hung out on two nails with a short piece of cord. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. Well, I looked up and down till I found out the door, and a queerer old household should I ne'er saw before. Then the missus came out, and these words to me said, if you give me 3 coppers, sure I'll give you a bed. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. Well, I then stood aside with me back to the wall, and the next thing I saw was an old cobbler's stall. And there was the cobbler, and he mending his brogues, with his hammers and pincers all laid in a row. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. Then she brought me upstairs and she put out the light, and in less than 5 minutes I had to show fight. And less than 5 more when the story was best, the police came around me and brought me a curse. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. 'Twas all round me body they formed a march, 'twas all round me body they played the dead march. For the bloody old major gave me such a pick that he nearly made way with the half of me hip. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little there, oh. Now I'm going to me study these lines to pen down, and if any poor traveller should e'er come to town, if any poor traveller be knighted like me, beware of Buck's engine and his black cavalry. Ranelagh Fall, the little I, Ranelagh Fall, the little